Hey my people, let's fake bake some back to school cookies. So I got that cookie cutter from Hobby Lobby, and you can cut out 3 cookies at one time, which is cool. And if you ever have trouble taking your clay out of your cutter, just take a little piece of the clay and dab it onto the cutter, the clay that's in your cutter, and just pop it out. So I've got some yellow here because we're gonna make some ruler cookies. So I'm just gonna roll that out, and then I'm just gonna place that on top of my cookie dough color. And make sure you press it down good, because sometimes if you don't press it down good, it lifts up. When it starts drying, it lifts. Okay, so I'm making a ruler cookie, and I know I'm not making the lines correct and all that good stuff, but you guys know what I'm trying to make here. So you just get you a paint pen. These are plaid paint pens, and just start drawing some lines as far down as you want. Okay, and that's it. That's your ruler cookie. So now we're gonna make a piece of paper cookie. And so I got me these like rectangle type cookies. I got these from Michael's. They're made by Sweet Sugar Bell. It comes like 4 or 5 cutters in a set. And I'm just gonna get me some white clay, and then I'm gonna cut a piece of that one out. I wanted it to be a little thinner, so that's why I switched out the paint sticks. So I'm just going to put that on top of my cookie dough. Again, remember, press down really good, really well, because I have a cookie that lifted. It looked weird, but I still used it. So now I got my ball tool, and I'm just going to make 3 indentations on the side for like the holes in the paper. And then I'm going to get my ruler back out, and I'm just going to draw some blue lines for the page, for the lines onto the paper. I'm sorry, guys. And just go down as far as you want. I feel like I be making too many lines. You don't have to make as many lines as I do, but you can make less. I don't know. I just went with whatever was going on. You know what I mean? And then you're going to get your red paint pen, and you're going to draw that line on the side. Right? And then I got a black pen, and I just put an A+ on there. So there goes your ruler and your piece of paper. And so now I'm gonna make like a little blackboard. Do they even use blackboards in school anymore? I don't think so. I think they use those whiteboards, right? But anyways, then I got me some little bit of black clay that I had left over. I'm trying to stretch it out to make it fit onto my cookie. So I'm rolling it out pretty thin. And I barely made it, but I did. So I'm going to put that onto my clay, and there you go. So now I get my white paint pen, and I'm just going to write back to school on this one and keep it simple. And those are our cookies. We got a ruler, paint, a piece of paper, and a blackboard. Okay? So these are easy to make, so make you some. Talk to you soon. Bye.